Hi everyone, I'm Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do some ironing and also working on my current work in progress, aka a whip. And today we are melting Lucario spray. My flat press is currently heating up, and then we're gonna work on Raikou a little bit. I need to make an extension because he's big. So I have my paper, iron paper, parchment paper, whatever you want to use. I am ironing directly on the pegboard. It is a bit warped, unfortunately. I don't have, I want to do the tape method. I learned about it, and I've been inspecting on how to do it, and it looks easy to me, but unfortunately I don't have tape right now, and I don't get paid until next Friday. So, unfortunately, I have to iron directly on the pegboard. So we're gonna be doing that. The thing is done. All right. I only iron one side. That's just my preferred thing to do. This is also not for me, by the way. It's for one of my bestest friends. She asked for Lucario, and I had to wait until I got all the beads. All right, let's do this. Okay, now I'm putting my heavy object onto my Lucario. I chose a rice box. You don't gotta do this. You can choose any other object as long as it's directly on it. Cooling down, and now we wait. Give me about a few minutes, and then we will check it out, and then we'll work on Raikou. Okay, so I just took off the rice box, and I want to see how it turned out. Oh. All right, it directly is kind of stuck to the paper, but not really. Oh wow, it actually flattened out my board. That's actually really convenient for me. Okay, so let's take this off very slowly. All right. We have a Lucario now. Yay, cool. This is the flat side that I ironed. This is the other side. I'm getting a lot better with ironing, or just learning how to iron correctly, because this came out really good. This is probably one of my best melts that I've done so far. I'm not even exaggerating too, and of course it's something that I'm not even keeping for myself, which is actually pretty good. This Lucario came out super cute. I'm so happy with it. Now, if you're wondering where I got the pattern, it's not my pattern. I get all of my patterns from Pinterest. I found most of my patterns I found, like my sprites I look for, are from a Japanese account or a website that I found on Pinterest. Oh, there's like a line in the middle, but it's fine. It's really not noticeable, but yeah. Came out really cute. So anyway, I'm going to set up now for the Raikou. I have my iPad up. I just have to set up all the beads and everything, so BRB. Okay, so here is my current work in progress. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere up of the reference that I am using for this Raikou. It is also not for me. I've only gotten the feet done, so I wanna see how much I can get done. I have another board attached right now. This one is also warped, unfortunately. As I said, that I cannot afford to get new pegboards right now. Hopefully I will be able to next week, because this sucks. I might have to use my credit card to buy a new pegboard. I have a couple good ones, but when I started on it, this is just what I started on, unfortunately. So let's put Lucario off to the side for now. and get working. So I'm gonna be silent. There's gonna be music in the background. Let's see how much I can get done in about, I don't know, 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Okay, so this is what I got done of Raikou. I guess you can say I'm halfway there. Unfortunately, because of my warped panels or pegboards, it's not gonna come out okay. Hopefully when I iron it, it'll go back to normal. So I mean, I don't know. I have a feeling I might have to start over with 2 different pegboards, just because I just can't stick these 2 together. I'm a little nervous about it. I don't know. You're more than welcome to come back for a part 2. Definitely, I will start. I'll keep you updated on what I do with this. So, most likely, I have a feeling I will be starting over because of how warped these pegboards are, unfortunately. And even if I flatten them out, I tried and it just will not cooperate, which is really unfortunate. I mean, I can try. I have to check my other bit. I have like 4 more pegboards, but hopefully they're not too warped for me so I can use them. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!